Okay, this video will show you how we charge the solar warning lights with the main system power. Okay, look at these two solar warning lights, and this is the adapter. This adapter is configured with two lines. These two lines can give power supply to this one and this one, two lights together. And here, the third part, it's the socket electricity board, which is connected to the main grid power. Okay, I'm going to show you how we do this. First, we open this at the bottom of the light. You will see there's a wire. We pull it out. Then we connect this end to this end. Okay. The next step that we plug in to this socket. We can say this red light and green light. When this light is fully charged, this red indicator, the color will turn green. Then it shows that the electricity is, the battery of this light is fully charged. Okay. By the same way, we can use this line to give power supply to the second light. So when you finish, just pull this off. Put it into the body of this light. Then we lock it. Okay, it's finished. Hope you enjoy using our solar warning lights with the function of AC recharge. Okay, thanks.